It's fine.
We did those two. All right.
Alright, we're gonna get in here.
Get on in there.
Other people probably just breaking up. Yeah. They have 4 days.
How's it going?
Pretty good. What's the brand called?
We have a lot of brands.
What's going on over here?
We got Grateful Dead launch here with the Gear Premium.
Okay.
And we have the Gear Premium Sidekick.
Dope.
We got some nice dugouts.
Okay.
We got some dab mats. We got some fun tins.
Cool. Where would somebody get this stuff? Can they buy it on the internet?
They go to West Coast Gifts
Okay.
or gearglass.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else is cool?
We got Creature Skateboard
Okay.
with the Gear Premium, so they could go to gearglass.com for the Creature Skateboard line. That's got some really cool like water pipes, hand pipes, dab mats, dugouts, roach clips, bug clips that glow in the dark.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Cuidado. Yeah, we came by. Taking out the sprays.
What's going on?
Hello.
You work here?
Yeah.
What's the name of the company?
LA Wholesale Kings.
LA Wholesale Kings. Is there a website?
Yes, we do have.
What is it?
LA. It's la-wholesale.com.
la-wholesale.com. And what do you sell?
We sell hats, t-shirts, doormats. These are wall hanging. They work as a tapestry. It looks like doormat, but it works like a tapestry. Then we have sets, we have towels, we sell socks, hand pipes, bongs, t-shirts.
Okay.
A lot of cool stuff that which is moving. This is our favorite, one of the things that we are doing from so many years. We make bottles from scratch, and then all these smoke shops, we are known for these liquor bottles.
Okay. Those are pretty cool.
Beautiful.
Those are the hot seller.
Hot seller, yes.
But then merch and hats and everything else.
Yeah, people stop here for these bottles.
Dope. Right on, la-wholesale.com.
Yes.
Right on. Appreciate you, man. Very good. Incense, wild berry incense. Hello. Fantastic. What is this stuff?
Wild berry incense.
Is it, what's amazing about it?
So we've been hand dipping our incense since 1971 in Oxford, Ohio. It is all U.S. We make our displays are U.S. Our jars, labels, everything is local. Our incense smells the same way burning as it does on the stick, or we don't release it.
Let's go. Is there a website where you can buy from you?
Absolutely. Yeah.
What is the
let me give you a
website?
card. Oh, it's wild-berry.com.
Wild-berry.com.
Yep. Drop a wholesale in front of it if you're a store owner.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. It's very pungent.
Let me get on the mic real quick.
You need this?
The bane of my existence.
Oh, you don't like the incense? It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot.
4 pallets at a time. 3 quarters de sala. يعني I'm sure بس في عندي واحد صاحبي بتكساس ببيع لوبر في ماستر لوبر.
The Super Whip. Super Whip. Cannabis now. Hello. What is Cannabis now?
We're the nation's leading cannabis and hemp publication and media platform.
Awesome. Where do they get it?
every single state in the U.S. as well as Canada. We're in most Barnes & Nobles, dispensaries, liquor stores, Kroger. And we're the only cannabis publication to have partnership with Hudson News, so we're in 58 major airports as well.
Awesome. And do you have a website?
Yes, cannabisnow.com.
Cannabisnow.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi. What's the brand called? Al Fakr?
Yes.
Oh, it's the shisha?
Yeah, shisha and vape.
Oh, and vape now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Al Fakr vape. Okay, like a hookah vape, and this is tobacco.
Dope. Where can somebody get it? You got a website?
Yeah.
What's the website?
PrimeHookahWholesale.com.
PrimeHookahWholesale.com.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Loon. You going in there or what? Going all around it in? Yeah. Alright. He's gonna film everything.
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Well, so what's the name of the company?
It's the Loon, CA. Maduro Distributors and the Loon.
And the Loon? What are they? What is the stuff?
We sell mostly glass and disposable.
It's immersion stuff?
Yeah, merch. We just,
Oh, and like a smoking device and stuff?
yeah, easy.
Is there a website where people can order online?
Actually, we don't. We are building one. We're
Building a website?
Yeah, right now.
Currently building. Right on. Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Balloon. Balloon Max. Hello. What do you do? Print stuff?
Stuff, yeah. We
What's-
print custom designs.
What's the website?
It's print24hours.us.
Print24hours.us.
Card for you here.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, of course. Have a great day.
You as well. How's it going? Donuts. Donuts and uchi. It's kratom. Kratom candy and drinks. There's always a bunch of kratom ever since it came out. A lot less. Way more of this kind of stuff. What? Oh, look at it. Nice of us to stop by. What is this?
This is Eddie from King Palm. We got our displays over here, so want to check it out. We got our flavor lineup. Cane, sugar punch.
Okay.
We know Luke Rays. We got some M cones, king size.
Go closer so I can get behind you.
For you over here. For your joints. If you want a little variety, we got that over here. 25s for if you like a little flavor, a little fusion flavor. Goji wraps. It's one of a kind.
The Gojis.
Yup. I'm gonna show you something a little bit new right here.
Let's go. I gotta get closer with the mic.
So we got a little something for the value guys. They're looking for something a little cheap. You know, not cheap, but good quality. You got hemp wraps over here. But then we got these Lotus tubes. with flavor inside of them. First ever rose cones, lotus tubes with flavor inside of them. We got caramel apple, caramel vanilla, gummy bear, berry cream, banana cream. All these are brand new. This is the first time showing this out to the world. This launch of Bloom. And we also have our tobacco wraps over here. We got cones with the flavor tips inside of them. Banana cream, strawberry, kiwi. We got the flat sheet wraps. We got trio, so you get a little bit of everything for $1.99. And if you just want, go to the store and you want to get something for 69 cents, we got orange cream, the naturals, wild kiwi, blueberry, banana cream, watermelon, and chocolate chip.
That's a little rebrand on the singles for the King Palms, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, everything is brand new, man. So, you guys have any questions about anything?
Where do people get it?
Cannatron. You can get all these from Cannatron if you want to buy it like as a wholesaler retailer.
Okay.
If you're gonna go to a smoke shop, they're gonna be launched the rest of this year, so you're gonna see it in like August most likely.
Right on.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anything else? Okay. What's the publication, man?
Well, we're gonna put this on YouTube. It's gonna be every
YouTube?
booth, every product at Champs.
Hey, you guys should check out all of Cannatron stuff too.
He's gonna film everything.
Yeah, man.
So this audio is to his video. So if you want to talk about the stuff that he's filming it,
I mean, yeah, I'm not sure of all these other brands.
you're King Palm.
Yeah, we're King Palm.
Okay, let's
so you
go.
got a little bit of
Okay,
King
that was
Palm
good.
talking about
That was
King
good.
Palm.
That's good.
Yeah. But I appreciate you, bro.
Right on. Thanks, homie. Donuts. Homie was selling these down the way.
He's working, man.
You can stay here. You can stay here.
Gotta work.
Good. That was pretty good, right? I think we need to get another set of mics so we have a second receiver. So we can both have audio. Well, so we both have audio.
He a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God, freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God.
With this rope? Yep. What's the brand called?
Vector.
Vector?
Yeah.
And what is it?
We sell lighters, torches, butane, any kind of smoking accessories.
All right. Some say your butane's one of the best ones on the market. What do you think?
I say listen to the public.
Where can people get the stuff if they want it?
So if anyone's interested, they can just go to vectorkgm.com.
Okay.
And then they can just browse through our website. All retailers, distributors, and individual customers are welcome. Retailers and distributors, we have a new wholesale portal, which they can order through online.
Dope. Right on.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
The dime bag booth.
Got it?
French fries. Smell of French fries.
It's all turned black.
2 grams for sure.
Caps.
There's like 6 flavors of that. There's
way back. A leaf. Did we do this? We did not, did we?
No. Looks like big. Let's go.
Yeah, but wait, I'm gonna talk to the guy. There's a bunch of stuff. Hello. What's the name of the company?
Price check, Los Angeles.
Oh,
She's the one. She can give you the right answer, Nisha.
Why? It's very easy. I mean.
Yeah. Man.
What's the website? Is there a website?
We have the website. Yes.
What is it?
Seeing this.
A leaf.
Yeah, a leaf.
Leafglasswholesale.com.
Yes, sir.
And I can get what do you sell?
We sell the glass and general merchandise, all kind of stuff, grinders, lighters.
Okay.
Glass, everything.
Awesome.
A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
A leaf.
A leaf.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the best product in LA, in America.
Let's go.
Good glass.
Dope.
Yeah. Once you buy, you can come back for sure.
Let's go.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here, let me
See, did I tell you not?
I thought it was great. I thought it was great, man.
Yeah, good. I tried it.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, that inside too? There's an inside too.
Did you take the caps behind it? It's the hot item right behind this. That's our product.
What is it?
I'll show you.
Yeah. Yeah, show us the hot stuff.
We're here live.
Let's go. Oh, the cap stuff.
He's our pro.
Oh,
you
he's
can
a
take
pro?
his interview. Yeah, he knows. Yeah.
What is this stuff?
Well, we got a fine selection right here of THCA products, which is what the people call it CBD flower.
Okay.
So we also have a brand new product where we're just releasing. It's 2-gram dab vapes and also actual dabs that you can actually hit off from your rig.
Okay.
And some people prefer the vape, for your lazy people. And if you're not lazy, you want to torch that up, you could go ahead for these, And they're all below 0.3% THC level, which is the legal amount for any smoke shop they can carry, unless their state, or their county says otherwise you cannot hold it in that type of area. Then you're not allowed to sell to any people that area.
Okay.
But we got pre-rolls, we got flower, we got pre-rolls. So if you
is there a website?
Yes, we do have a website, and you can check out all lab reports right there. So
what's the website?
www.goodmorales.co.
Okay, bet.
Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
Yeah, no problem.
On this aisle, yeah.